Someone once asked me how I got into off-roading. I think I was about 13 years old at the time, and we just so happened to be driving by a buddy's house from school. He was out in the front yard ripping around in this little red Honda 50. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I just completely fell in love with this thing. I told myself right then, I gotta have one of these. Of course, my mom, she wasn't thrilled with the idea. She pictured me getting hurt. But my dad, well, he had other plans. A couple months go by, and he brings home this little Kawasaki that he won at work in a raffle. And the moment I started that bike up, that was the start of it all. Another passion of mine is flying FPV. Back in 2016, I built my first drone. Flying FPV feels different. And the moment you put on the goggles, you're getting in the cockpit of the drone. You see what the drone sees. Over time, this hobby has become more than just flying for fun. It's become a way to tell stories. Film our group ride, I try to do more than just show Broncos driving through mud. I try to capture the beauty of the landscapes we explore and the sense of scale. Later, I came across Wolfbox. It has completely transformed my off-road experience. It has provided me with the visibility, enabling me to navigate obstacles without the need of a spotter. Not only did it document my adventures, but it also became a tool on my journey and allows me to film off-road trips from a unique perspective. I not only record the thrill of off-roading, but I also never miss the stories and landscapes that I discover along the way. To push the limits and to share the ride.